Hey guys, Faiza's here. As you know, recently I started speaking in British accent, and since then you asked me a couple of questions about it. So today I decided to answer 4 of the most frequently asked questions. Well, I gave it a shot like very recently. I never taken it seriously. I started like about a couple of months ago. I started practicing standard American English accent when I was 14. At that moment, I believed speaking in different accents can lead to speaking with broken English, broken accents. So I avoided doing different accents. And it's true, really. My advice here, if you want to do the same thing, if you wanted to speak in different accents, just wait until you mastered your main accent. For me, it was American. So wait until you mastered it and then go for the rest of accents. Doesn't matter how many you want to learn. Just wait until you mastered one main accent. You asked me this question a lot, like really a lot. I used to watch movies and series like Game of Thrones, Peaky Blinders, The Fall, that the main accent was Irish. Yeah. But if you want to learn standard British accent, okay, just don't do that. Don't do what I did. Because in my British accent, Irish, Scottish, Cockney, Southern, lots of accents appear. It sometimes gets out of my control. If you don't want this to happen to you, please stop watching these series and just go for the authentic ones, okay? I personally, before daring myself to do such a thing, spent 2 months listening to British Council podcast, BBC Learning English podcast, and a channel called میشه. All of them are available on Zabanshanas application. There are some more podcasts and shows and channels under you can listen to on Zabanshanas application. Oh, I should also add this, that on Zabanshanas application you can find American and British accents. So before listening to the channel or podcast or whatever, just check, it is written under, this is in British, this is in American. So check that and then you're good to go. No. Okay. When I was like a student, I was studying in a university, I thought that British accent is harder than American. One of the reasons that I avoided learning British and I started learning American was because I thought the same way. Like I thought British is harder than American, so I just said, okay, American is easier, let's go for that. But now I can see both of them can be hard, okay? Yeah, if I want to be honest, none of them is hard. Or both of them are hard, okay? So, if you're considering British as the harder accent, no, not at all. I'm actually enjoying speaking in British and American at the same time because I believe that none of them are hard and both are enjoyable. Okay. So, since I already told you where you can find authentic sources for both American and British accent, I hope you will leave me alone. Okay, I'm just joking. Okay, I would be pleased to answer your questions. But give yourself some time, okay, like a couple of months. And then come and tell me, did it work or not? And please be committed, okay? Not like I listened to one podcast like a few weeks ago and then I stopped. No. Don't be like this, okay? Be committed to it. Listen to it like every night, like what I did. And it was very effectful for me. You saw the results, okay? So do the same thing and tell me about it. I'm going to see you soon. Bye!